Hi friend, how are you? I am Asith Roy. Welcome to R Multimedia Computer YouTube channel. You can look at computer screen in a two-part business card with visiting card or name card design in Microsoft Word. In this video tutorial we'll learn how to create a business card design in MS Word 2007 to 2019. Now I am going to start my tutorial, so stay with me till the end and watch the completed video. Go to Layout. After select Size. More paper size. Paper. Width equals 8.5 inch. Height plus 5 inch. OK. Go to Margins. Select Narrow. Insert. Shapes. Rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Shape format. Shape fill. Black color. Shape outline. No outline. Shape format. Height size equals 2 inch. Width equals 3.25 inch. Insert. Shape. Select one shape. Draw a shape. Shape fill. Select one flower. Shape outline. No outline. Shape formats. Shape effects. Shadow. Select outer shadow. Home. Copy. Paste. Shape format. Shape fill. Select one color. Shape format. Rotate. Flip horizontal. Select all shapes or object. Select format. Align. Align bottom. Insert. Shape. Oval. Draw an oval. Shape fill. Select white color. Shape outline. No outline. Insert. Picture. This device. Go to folder. Select company logo. Insert. Picture format. Wrap text. In front text. Set on logo in the oval. Picture format. Shadow. Select a shadow. Insert. Word art. Select a word art. Write your company name. Set font size 23 pt. Select word art. Shape format. Font outline. No outline. Font color. Choose a color. Select to object or shape. Home. Copy. Paste. Set on the object. Rotate the object and set it. Home. Copy. Paste. Shape format. Shape fill. Select arc white color. Go to rotate. Flip vertical. Set the shape. Select the logo. Home. Copy. paste. Set the logo on the card. Insert. Text box. Draw text box. Draw a box. Shape format. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline. No outline. Font color white. Right director name. Align right. Font style. Bold. Home. Copy. Paste. Font size 9 pt. Font color yellow select. Insert picture. This device. Select mobile image, insert. Wrap text. In front text. Image size equals 0.20 inch. Set on mobile. Insert. Shape. Select line. Draw a line. Again go to insert. Picture. This device. Select Twitter logo. Insert. Wrap text, in front of text. Rotate. Flip horizontal. Image size is 0.20 inch. Again do the work same to same. Select all icon/image. Picture format. Align. Align right. Align. Distribute vertically. Select the text. Home. Copy. Paste. Font color white. Write your mobile number. Do the work same to same. Write your Twitter/FB name. Write your email address. Insert. Picture. This device. Select QR code. Insert. Wrap text, in front of text. Set the QR code image in the card. Delete the line. Go to File. Save. Select the computer location. Write your file name, business card design, save. In the way you can make all kind of business card visiting card design in MS Word. Thanks everyone for watching the tutorial. If you have learned something new by watching my video, please press subscribe my channel and touch bell icon for get upload new tutorial. Please like, share, comments my YouTube channel AR Multimedia. See you in a new tutorial. Stay well, stay healthy.